Guys, it's me again here, and I'm gonna show you, not the guns, but here it is, baby. If I go mine, guys, just do X-ray. Is that cool? If you guys have the guns mod, that just mess up. That just is bows. This mod is awesome. Look, I can spawn in lightning anyway. Oh, I could fly in survival too. Okay, so I can do anyone. Yeah. I'm gonna just blow up this house that we made. No, I don't want to do X-ray. What the? Let me see. Oh, and let's see if what? But I can only. Oh, and here's good thing. Player speed. Oh, I can speed. Oh, is there coins? See, but I want to go. Oh, this could kill animals. Oh, yeah. So, can I do this? Oh, I could mine like very fast. Oh. I tried getting the cars mod, but hey, cow. Should have skipped. Oh. Ten hits for a pig. Wow. 10 hits. Hey, you want a stick? Yeah. Oh, try this. Oh, if I could just hit it. If I could just turn off speed. And I'll see you guys in a sec. Hey guys, I'm back, and if I just sprint very fast, bam, wow. And if I go really, really, really fast, but this would be good. Oh yeah, and do this. Let me just do a lot more faster. Oh, and you could swim. And you could just do it quickly. Okay, so. Yeah, so. And. Oh man, spawn lightning on you. Yeah, so. Oh, and you could do this. Yeah, that's right. And you just need, Toolbox. Wow, look how powerful. And if you go, I'll see you guys in a sec. Hey guys, I'm back. And also I could just Oh, there. Straight right up and quick. Do not know where I am. Oh, here I am. So, just get out of here. I can. It takes like a little time. So, and there you have it, guys. So, goodbye.